Okay, so this is just a quick overview for week 8 on what's going on. If you were absent, first and foremost, just keep in mind that the quarter's coming to a close and almost just over 2 weeks. And that includes fall break. You have until October 22nd before everything needs to be turned in. This Friday, your essay is due, your informative essay. Um, that being said, you will have opportunities to revise your score once it is submitted, uh, but you're not going to be able to revise it if you don't have a score. So get that in this Friday. On your conclusion paragraph, so you should have written your first introduction paragraph, or excuse me, just your introduction, and then your first T-bear, your second T-bear, and most of you are on your third. I've had a few students submit their essay already, so we're working on our conclusions at the moment. So when you start out with the transition. You do not use in conclusion for your transition. Although, moreover, therefore, altogether, all of those are acceptable transitions for a conclusion. And then you follow with your main idea. What is the main idea of your essay? If I'm talking about violence, okay, so what's the main reason I'm writing about violence? Include that there. Do not include your thesis statement, just your overall main idea. The next step, for your next step, you need to restate your thesis statement. That means you're going to rewrite your thesis sentence into 2 or 3 different sentences. And you're going to bring those reasons up so your reader starts remembering and thinking about those reasons that you brought up previously. And then you end your essay or your conclusion paragraph with a call to action. Okay, sorry about that. I had an internet glitch. So anyway, back to your conclusion. When you wrap it up, you end with a closing thought. You don't want to tell your reader how to think or how to feel. When you tell someone to do something, they immediately shut down. That's their first reaction. Leave them with an open thought that doesn't tell them directly what they need to do. So violence may always exist. However, how people respond to it is up to the individual. Lets your reader think about it. Life may always end. However, how that time is spent is up to each person. Just something that gets them to think, kind of just your general idea. Other than that, for week 8, getting in that essay is going to be huge. And start looking at the end of The Outsiders. We are wrapping up The Outsiders. We may, A-Day is going to finish the novel either Friday or Monday next week, probably Monday. And B-Day is going to wrap that up on next Tuesday. So keep that in mind as we go forward, and let me know if you have other questions.